Hi there, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about a brief introduction to one of the most recent and popular AI tools, that is the Higgsfield AI content generator, and its recent release, that is the Seedance 2.0. Higgsfield AI, a powerful AI content generator designed to transform how creators and marketers produce content in today's fast-paced digital world. It's built on advanced generative AI. This platform does not just create content, it understands context, tone, and audience intent. Whether you're scaling marketing campaigns or trying to stay consistent with your brand voice, Higgsfield AI acts like a smart assistant that works 24/7, helping you generate content faster without compromising quality. From a strategic standpoint, it works like a content multiplier. Instead of spending hours of brainstorming and drafting, you can focus on refining ideas and optimizing performance. This is especially valuable for businesses focused on lead generation, engagement, and revenue growth. Today, we will explore its one of the most recent and powerful framework called as the Seedance 2.0 that can create hyper-realistic, longer videos with Higgsfield AI. That said, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons along with the bell icon to get notified. Also, just that you know, if you want to upskill yourself, master generative AI and artificial intelligence skills, and land in your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various generative AI courses and certifications. Simplilearn offers various certification programs in collaboration with some of the world-leading universities. Through our courses, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like advanced Python, machine learning, generative AI, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top-tier data and product companies. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into an AI and machine learning role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job and profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find a generative AI program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started with a small quiz. Which major advantage does Higgsfield AI provide the marketers? Your options are A. Database storage, B. Faster content creation and scaling, C. Backend development, and last one, D. Cybersecurity. Please do let us know your answers in the comment section below. And by the end of this question, you'll not only understand what is Higgsfield, but also understand how to venture into content creations and try building your own virtual AI influencers and videos with unbelievable realistic looks. Now, let's get started. So now we will dive into Higgsfield AI. But before that, we have to create a video, right, using Seedance. So whenever you upload some prompt to your Seedance 2.0, you also might have to give the reference image or reference videos. So most of the time, Higgsfield AI is so smart that it learns what has a copyright and what does not. So the images what you upload sometimes get eligible, sometimes it may not be eligible, finding that it is facing a copyright issue. So for that one reason, we will generate some AI related images of a human being using some platforms like Openart or any other like Kling AI, etc. So now we are on Kling AI. So here we will upload some reference images and we'll try to generate. So I've opened my downloads. So here I have a couple of images. So basically I'm trying to create a fight scene. So this person is the one who enters some Thai streets and there he will find some fighters and then he will try to fight them. So that's the overall concept of 5 to 6 second video and he's the person. So this is also an AI generated image, right? So that's the fight scene that I'm focusing on to generate. So this is the reference image. Let's close this. So these are a couple of images that I've already downloaded. Now here I shall upload that image. I'll upload 1, 2, and 3. Open. So upload field. Okay, image size is short, not a problem. So we can expand the image. I'll go with one image this time. Okay, still exceeds 300 pixel. So we need to extend it. We will now go to Openart and I'll log in quickly. And let me try that image here. So I'll choose a character and word. And here I want to create a human character. So I start from an image. So here I can upload that reference image. I'll go with one. Now I'll write a small story or prompt. Basically the background story is nothing but a prompt on what type of character you want to create. I'll create this as Sam Simply Learn. And now I need to give a backstory about Sam. So Sam Sam is an average human being, 5 feet 8 inches tall, and let's say he's good with calisthenics, so comfortable with calisthenics, so that we want an active person to fight in the scene, right? So he's a calisthenics enthusiast, wearing comfortable clothes. So he was wearing white in the short, so I'll go with the same white shirt and a black pant, black trousers or pants, or we can also go with tanned pants. Both are completely formal, so let's keep it formal and professional. Wears black shoes, and he's active and averagely aged. Let's keep it around 25 something. I think this should be good enough. And now I want to create a full-sized image. That is a decent smile or expression should be good, so that I don't want some random AI generated image that is totally revealing that it's created by AI. So I want some decent expressions, maybe a smile as well. So create. So shortly the image must be created, and we can, if needed, we can also go with Kling AI and provide some high skill image to Kling AI, so that it generates a wide variety of shots like front view, back view, side view, etc., and different angles as well. So I think it's not created yet. So yeah, I need to provide the prompt again here. Let me describe that once again. Let me copy paste or try to enhance the previous prompt. Did it take the data from the previous prompt? No, it did not. So let us rewrite it again, not a problem. So create top to bottom full image of a person or of Sam. Front. Okay, let me provide a little more detail. Back, left and right. Okay, so I have bottom angle, top angle, and I need at least 9 to 10 images from all angles. So 4 should be proper, front, back, right and left, and then we can take rest of the 6 from different angles, lower angle, top angle, etc. So I want blank or PNG type images. So generate. So the images are getting created. Yeah, so far so good. We have 2 different images covering all the angles. So this is the first one. So I'm quite happy with the first one here. I can just download this or try to edit as well. For now, I'll just proceed with the download. And for safer side, we'll also download the second one, because this is not the final image that we're going to use for creating the video. These are just reference images because we needed an upscaled version which crosses 300 pixels or more. So that was a Google downloaded image. So for the safer side, we will create an AI image and then use it. So this is my new image. So I'll download this as well. I'll go with PNG. There you go. And we'll also go with JPG as well for safer side. So both the images are successfully downloaded. So we'll also download JPG version for this image as well, the first one. Now we are back on Kling AI, and now we can upload the upscaled versions of the reference images that we used. So upload, and I'll select the images that I just uploaded, and also try the 300 pixel one, which is less than 300 pixel. Let's see if it accepts or not along with the latest images. So now let me write down the prompt. Use these reference images and create individual. So previously we just used 2 generations, 2 photographs, and in those photographs we covered all the angles, right? So let me try an approach where we will try to generate individual images so that we have separate images. So the images should have a person standing, and I want specific views as well. Same prompt that we used previously. So I want front view, back view, right, left, and rest 5 in different angles. So the task is submitted. So we are getting about 9 different images. Yeah, there you go. The 9 different images are getting generated. So all our images are downloaded. So this looks good enough for me. So we have right view, front view, side views, and all the angles that we needed. So we will download these images. Now we are on the prompt that we will be using for Seedance 2.0. So I'm giving some character description about the fight scene. So here we have a male young man, aggressive handle. So we are also giving some camera angles as well, aggressively handle, and he has 2 enemies, and he is busy in a sunset timing, and he tries to be defensive about 2 people trying to attack him. So this is the first prompt, and here we have the second prompt, and this is also similar but a little more variations on this. So this describes about the enemies, environment, and camera as well. So don't worry, this particular prompt will be downloaded in the PDF format and attached in the description box below, so that you can follow along with us and try to execute this. But before this, we also have something to work around with Claude as well. So you might be having a doubt about how did you design this prompt so precise. So we have used Claude for that. So this particular prompt has been successfully downloaded, and I'm attaching this PDF in the description box below. So this prompt was generated using Claude. So here we have the customize skill option. So you can, try to generate a prompt which explains everything to the Claude. So here you can see that I've already written a skill that is based on Seedance 2.0. So we are describing about environments and what are the skills that it needs to focus on while creating a shot, basically giving the cameraman inputs or the director inputs. So how did you do that? So it's really simple. If this is the home page, you need to go to the options here, new chat, customize, search. You need to go into customize. So these are the options. Just click on customize, and here you have the skills section. So here you can just click on add skill. So this is the prompt that I built. You can either browse or create a new skill. So you can create a new skill with Claude or upload a skill. So this skill document will also be attached in the description box below. So this is the skill document that we have used. So I just need to click on this and open, and it will be uploaded. So for now, I have uploaded this already. So this is the skill.md. So this explains Claude how to work on generating the prompts. Focus on camera angles, focus on the subject, focus on the brands and everything. And whenever you try to create a 9-second or 10-second video, then you need to have some special effects as well, right? So this prompt also covers the special effects as well. So based on this prompt, it understands how you're focusing on creating an AI video in Higgsfield AI, and based on that, it will generate the prompt for you. So here I can just write down the prompts and give me 2 prompts. And the raw idea is this: create a fight scene, and these will be the outputs. You can just copy paste this on a Google document or directly paste this on the Higgsfield AI. So I'll upload the images that we recently created. So these are the images, and I also want to include the fight scene as well. So the fight scenes are successfully uploaded. Now what is remaining is we need to write the prompt. So for writing the prompt, we can use the prompt that we generated and just copy paste it right here. Sometimes Higgsfield AI is so smart, even the Seedance 2.0 is so smart that it identifies if there is sensitive content. So this is just a trial. So because this is a fight scene, Higgsfield AI or Seedance 2.0 may create this video or may not, because fighting is a sensitive content. So let's give it a try and see if it generates or not. If not, we have a prompt available for the second version where we will create some other story which is not sensitive enough. So we have about 15 seconds window here. So we can start with the default 6-second window. And here the frame that I will choose is 16:9, and 720p will be good enough for me. So just generate. So let's give it some time. It takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. So once the processing starts, and yeah, we can already see the video is getting generated. Let's see if the video gets generated or not. If it is a sensitive version or sensitive version of the video that or the idea that we had in our mind, then it will not create it. If it will generate it. I think the credits are given back. It has identified the output may contain sensitive information or sensitive content. So it's not proceeding with the creation, but not to worry about it. So we'll use the second prompt where the character just roams around an Indian city and checks out all the fairs and shops available. So let's use Claude to create. So let's use Claude to prepare that prompt for us. So we are on Claude right now. Create an AI video generation prompt of person roaming around the streets of India or Indian village filled with joy and happiness. The man is a foreigner wearing the same white shirt and black trousers, black pants, formal, white, 6 feet tall, average build, looks happy, seeing the environment. So this should generate me a prompt. So this is reading from prompt builder skill that we just uploaded. Here's a cinematic shot. So it generates scene by scene. Okay, it's creating for 18 to 20 second, but I'm looking for more like 6-second video. I can quickly stop this and copy the same prompt and paste it over here and mention the 6-second timing. Let me correct a few spellings here. Around the video length should be for 6 seconds. 5 to 6 seconds is good enough for me. We'll go with the default setting of Seedance 2.0. So it's creating the prompt here. So scroll down. It has the short 1 plan. It has the short 2 also planned, and it also has the short 3. So it is dividing everything into 2 seconds. Short 1 as 2 seconds, short 2 as 2 seconds, short 3 as 2 seconds, summing up to 6 seconds. So I'll just copy the short related data from this particular space. Just copy and scroll down. It is also giving the information on frames and everything, show, push, and shallow depth of the field, one times zoom in and everything. So let me again try to copy that. It is copying everything. Slowly scroll up to short 1, copy. So let me copy the prompt from the bottom section slowly. Let's scroll slowly till short 1. I think it's copied. Now go to Seedance, raise everything, paste it, and also tag in some elements. So the elements that we added are here in the uploads. Select uploads and select the images that we just generated and select the eligible ones. And now you can paste the prompt and click on generate. It might take a little while. So here we have the short-wise explanation. So the first shot, which explains everything about the environment, and the second shot where the people identify him and he's looking at the environment there and the scenes, everything, and is also tracking the remaining street and the lateral camera alongside 45-degree angle and everything. That's a decent prompt, and it started processing the prompt, and shortly we will have a generated video as well. There you go, the video has been successfully generated. Let us expand this. We're still in the processing moment. The only problem about Higgsfield AI platform is it consumes a lot of time, but the results are satisfactory. Yeah, there you go. The video has been successfully created, and there you go. So this is a 6-second video. You can see how hyper realistic is this video. He starts to enter the street, checks around, and is really happy walking around the streets and looking at the environment, right? So beautiful. And we might have the Kling AI logo because we have created the image using Kling AI. That's the only problem, but not to worry about it. And I'll just quickly download this video for reference. I can have this shared with you in the Google Drive as well. There you go, the video is now successfully downloaded. And with that, we have reached the end of this session on Higgsfield AI and Seedance 2.0 tutorial for beginners. Prompts and other resources used in this session, please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to assist you at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.